Creating a pudding capsule packaging in Blender tutorial. Subscribe to this channel to benefit from tutorial videos. Like the video and share your comments with me by commenting below. Press Shift A and add a sphere. In edit mode, select half of the sphere. Delete the faces. Select this loop. Press E and S, extrude and scale it out. Switch to top view. Select the vertex and move it outward. Repeat for other vertices. Add a subdivision surface modifier. In edit mode, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Add a solidify modifier and move it to the top. Select the side faces. Press I to inset faces. Then adjust the thickness. To make pudding, first go to edit mode. And then select this loop. Press Shift D to duplicate it. Press P. And separate it by selection. Delete the solidify modifier and adjust its position. Go to edit mode. Select loop, press F, and then press I. Inset this face multiple times. Turn off display subdivision modifier in viewport. Select one of the faces. Press E to extrude, and repeat for the rest of the faces. Turn on display subdivision modifier in viewport. Go to edit mode. Turn on proportional editing. Select the upper faces and scale inwards. Go to Sculpt mode. Use the brushes in this section. And make it creamy. To do this, press Shift on any brush you choose and do the edit. Then go to the edit mode and in this section, improve the creamy mode. To make the coating on this package, select the loop at the top. Press Shift D to duplicate it. Select opposite vertices. Press F to make an edge. Continue this until the last part. Then select the edges around each part, press F and create a face. Add a solidify modifier and move it to the top. And adjust the thickness. Turn on proportional editing. Select the first vertex. Move in the Z-axis. Rotate on the Y-axis. Add the material to the package. Add color ramp. Add separate. Add texture coordinate.